everyone, it's Riddhi Roblox and today my best friend Jenny is playing with me. Say hi Jenny. Hi.
Hi.
So we are going to play Physics Revenge. I don't know that name correctly, but this is a cool game. Oh yeah, after today is her advance birthday party, so we're going to go there. Come on, Jenny. Happy birthday. Now come on. Come on, let's go in this 4 players one. Now sit down. We are sitting down, so after we reach, we will show you all the fun we have there, okay? Hello everyone, as you can see, we have reached Jenny's birthday party. This is this is like a play center. A party room is over there, but as you can see, we can't go now. I want like a lollipop over there. Can we have a lollipop, pretty lady? Please. I want the pink one. Can I have the pink, like strawberry one?
Can you give me the green apple lollipop for free?
Starting the video. So, the play center is open. So come on, Jenny, we have to go. Hello, Jenny. Happy birthday, girl. I'm going to go over here. You mean a birthday?
Let's go on that. I'm going to come on.
Okay. I'm going to go in the rainbow one because I like the rainbow one. Okay.
I'm sorry if Freddy's not doing any of the hobbies because he's bad at hobbies.
Hey, don't say that.
It's fine to be bad at hobbies. Lots of people are bad at hobbies.
Yeah, that's also true. Let me just do some sliding. Whoa, 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 whoa.
What are you saying? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Means I just fell down from the slide. Right? It's time for Elka's. It's time for Jenny's birthday party. Come on.
Okay.
How to open this door thingy? How to go there? I don't know.
I want to go. Let me come to the basketball court.
Okay, where is it? Where is it?
Over here, near the green slide.
Where is,
I mean the rainbow slide. Behind the rainbow slide.
behind it. Okay, let me just go it.
I'm the basketball. You are the player. Throw me in the basketball.
How will I even catch you? Let me just throw myself then.
I want to go in the basketball.
Whoa, whoa. I think we are going to the party room. I think we are going to party room. So we already reached the party room, as you can see. So I think, oh, yummy, delicious food. After eating our food, we will show you what we will have fun. Okay, we'll go back to the play center and we will have fun. We will show you after eating our food. Oh no, guys, what's happening? Oh my gosh, lava. Oh no. This is a hobby. As you guys know, I am really bad at hobbies. I'm not a pro, but she is kind of good, but kind of bad. She is not that much because she's normal. So I suggest Jenny to not do the hobby because she might die and we have to like respawn the hobby, and that's why. Okay, Jenny, promise me you will not do the hobby, please. So guys, after finishing the hobby, we will show you what we will have fun. Okay, so as you can see, there's nobody. That's why Elka is going alone. Right, Elka? Right, Elka? Yes, she's going alone. Oh yeah, her name is Jenny. I just called her nickname. Yay, she made it. So we are going to reach that, then we will. Okay, I think we already reached there. After, yes, yeah, same. I don't know how. So after finishing this maze, we will show you where we reached. Okay. Finally we figured out this maze, and we are like in this storeroom or something. We are like in the storeroom, and we need to find like I don't know what is this thing. What is this thing? Oven or something? I don't know. But I want to go to the exit. I want to get out of this thing. Eee. Yeah, that. Oh, a number 8? Let me see. Oh yeah, there's a number 8 over here. But it's showing number 1. Maybe the 8 is in number 1. Let me go and find out some more numbers. Maybe. Same. It looks like we are interested in whatever that thing. And I found a number. I found a number 3, and there's one more. It's here. What is this? 4. Let me just put this code. Okay, you entered the code, Jenny. Okay, finally. Yes. Wow! Whoa! This is the Joker. Ah! Yeah, that's a jump scare Joker. I got a Joker something. Yeah, that only. Don't go there. I think that's acid or something. Okay, after we clear this, so we are going we are in the jail. We are in the jail. I can't go out. Oh my gosh, we are in the. I want to get out of this thing. So after getting out of this jail, we will tell you what happened. Okay, as you guys can see, we already fell down. I almost broke my knee of falling down. Even Elka also broke her. Even Jenny also broke her knee, right?
No, I didn't broke my knee. I broke my.
What's happening? Whoa. 1 second. Camera. Whoa. Okay, I'm not gonna follow you. Whoa, that was really close. I'm not following you, don't worry. Oh my gosh, the camera, that thing. See, that's the camera wall. Okay, whoa. Whoa, middle one. Phew. We just barely made it. Phew. I'm not gonna kill myself. Just don't do jokes. Is that a camera? Whoa. Okay, so as you can see, we made it, and I hope we will make everything rest. Yeah, that's true. Now, can't we go up? Follow the clown. Where's the clown? I don't want to follow the clown. The clown is like, I think, yeah, we went the wrong way. I want to go to the car. Oh, I think we are teleporting somewhere. Oh my gosh, why am I... Oh my god, what is this? I don't care. I want to walk straight. Hey, hello Jenny, come on. Whoa, that's a dead end. Where should we go? Maybe it has like Spachi or something. Oh, I think we're teleporting. I think we're teleporting. I'm taller than Jenny. Ha ha ha. Oh wait, this is our this is his family. See. Cute family. I like the family's noses too, like red, green. Oh my gosh. Look around for the safe key. Come on, we need to look around. We need to like find. What about this thing? Guys, like. Okay, we are hiding. So after hiding, we will see what will happen. Okay, shh, guys, the clown will find us. Shh, guys. So guys, we found a secret door over here, but I can't go in. I think it's a dead end. Oh no, the clown will find us. Oh, come on. I already am in the tunnel. Okay, we are teleporting somewhere at this. Wait, where are we? There's a one red button over here. Yeah, but we are not safe. What is this thing anyways? Okay. Oh my gosh, it opened. Whoa, it's an office. I know this thing. I know it. I think we saw it somewhere. Oh yeah, we are in the staff room. Wait, do you all hear that? Yes, I do hear that. Whoa. What is happening? What? Let me just press this. We can't. I don't know what is happening. Whoa. No. No. We are not in this map. We did not ruin a thing, understood? And don't do anything to the girl. That's a good lady. You rather